Thank you. So today we're going to be talking about collaborative development features of Design Manager. Design Manager is of the IBM Jazz system. The IBM Jazz system allows you to bring in several applications into their environment, Team Center, Team Concert, Doors, and Quality Manager, and now Design Manager, where Doors gives you the requirements, Team Concert gives you your change management, Quality Manager gives you your testing, Design Manager allows you to bring in the architecture models that you can build in either Rhapsody, System Architect, or Simulink, bring those into this environment where the objects in those models can be linked to the objects in the requirements or RTC or Quality Manager via OSLC links. There's a caveat. Design Manager is relatively new and although it provides several game-changing features, it's not quite production ready. So we've deployed this to several projects within the Boeing company on a pilot basis, but we're not going into full production with it yet. However, we wanted to take this opportunity to share with you some of the features that we see that appear quite value added as we move forward. Now, within Design Manager, you can manage your configuration model in two ways. It has two modes, externally managed mode, where your configuration management is done in an external tool like ClearCase or Subversion, and then you bring the model in, versions of the model into Design Manager, versus actively managed mode, where the CM is actually done in Design Manager. Use Design Manager to do your configuration management of your model. So we'll be talking about those features a little bit later in the broadcast. This is the mode that we've had the most concerns with, and the primary reason why we're not deploying it in production at this point in time is because we have had several problems with the actively managed mode. It's a very powerful feature, as we'll see, but we've had some issues with it. So the topics I'm going to be covering today will be how to do reviews in Design Manager, how to do configuration management, a little bit about its query capability, the use of OSLC links, the new feature of global configuration management, which was brought in last fall in the 6.0 release, and the new feature of link validity, which was brought in the 6.01 release. I'm sorry, let me get my pointer fixed here. And for each of these topics, we'll have a short discussion about why these features are important and how they got implemented in Design Manager. So first of all, we're going to talk about reviews. And the reason we're talking about reviews is that reviews are probably the single most cost-effective way to improve quality and reduce cost and schedule. Rolls-Royce did a study, which we mentioned in a briefing at the INCOSE symposium last year, where they did a review of ROI, and they found that of reviews. Sorry, they did a study on reviews, and they found that the return on investment for reviews was 100 to 1. They basically saved $100 for every dollar they spent doing reviews. The reason for this is that because conducting reviews is cheaper than testing, and because you can find in reviews, you can find the errors very early, and the earlier an error is found, the cheaper and quicker it is to fix. So you can see here from this study on software that the earlier in the life cycle you find an error, the cheaper it is to fix. This is a log scale.